Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to use one of the most powerful and sometimes overlooked tools in Power BI, the Magic Effects or FX button. If you've ever wanted your dashboards to react in real time, like showing red when sales are low or switching to green when you hit your targets, you're about to learn how to do just that. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly how to apply dynamic, rule-based formatting to your card or KPI visuals, making your reports way more interactive and visually intuitive for your audience. So let's dive right in. First, let's start by selecting a card visual that displays a measure. For example, you might have a card showing your total sales for the month. Now, if you don't already have one, just click on the card icon in the Visualizations pane and drag the field you want, like total sales, right onto it. The key here is that you want a visual representing a single value that matters for your report, something like total sales, net profit, or customer count. Think of this as the dashboard speedometer that instantly gives context to your viewers. Next, let's open up the formatting options for that card. To do this, simply click on your card visual so it's selected. Then head over to the Format pane on the right and look for the section labeled Callout Value. This is the part of the card that's actually showing your number, the section you want to make stand out or react based on your data. Once you're there, scroll down a bit until you see the color setting underneath Callout Value. This is where the fun begins. Right next to the color picker, you'll spot a small FX icon. That's our Magic Effects button. Click on that FX icon and a new menu will pop up. Here, where you tell Power BI how to control the color dynamically, you'll see a drop-down labeled Format By, and it typically gives you two main options: rules or field value. If you choose rules, you can set specific conditions, almost like traffic lights for your data. For example, you might decide if total sales is greater than or equal to $100,000, make it green. If it's less than $100,000, turn it red. This is incredibly useful for making data instantly readable. You don't even need to look closely to know something needs attention. The color tells the story. Setting up those rules is pretty straightforward, but can take a minute if you want to experiment with your thresholds. You'll enter the measure you're basing your rule on, in our example, total sales, then specify the logic. Maybe you'll have yellow for a warning or add more gradations for nuance, like moving from red to amber to green as performance improves. You can really get creative here, adapting the rules to fit the context of your business. Don't worry if the settings look a little intimidating at first, just take it slow and test as you go. You'll see a preview of how your card will look, which is a huge help. There's another approach too. If you pick Field Value under Format By, you can link the color directly to a calculated field or a measure. This comes in handy for complex scenarios where maybe you're using DAX formulas to compute a status. For most cases, though, rules are your best friend for quick visual feedback. And that's really the magic here. The FX button in Power BI lets you bring your data to life by adding context right where it matters. Whether you're building a sales dashboard, an HR tracker, or anything in between, dynamic formatting makes your insights clearer and your reports much more engaging. Thanks so much for tuning in. If you found this Power BI tutorial helpful, please give the video a like, and don't forget to subscribe for more practical tips like this. Got questions or ideas for future videos? Drop a comment down below. I love hearing from you guys. See you in the next one.